Welcome to today's edition of the AI Eye, watching stock news, deal tracker, and advancements in artificial intelligence. Hello everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to another episode of the AI Eye podcast. For stock news today, IBM has introduced AI-generated spoken commentary for the Masters tournament, and NYSE Limited has announced enlightened actions. Then we're going to take a look at some projections for the global enterprise AI market. But just before we get into the show today, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, to please feel free to share it or leave us a review. As always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com as well. Some of these include the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, along with many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. Alright, so starting off the show, we have IBM, which trades on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol IBM. IBM has announced the introduction of two innovative new features with the Masters Golf Tournament, providing artificial intelligence-generated spoken commentary. According to the press release, this solution will produce detailed golf narration for more than 20,000 video clips over the course of the tournament. Jonathan Adashek, the Senior VP of Marketing and Communications for IBM, commented, quote, "For more than 20 years, IBM and the Masters have partnered together to create custom solutions that improve the user experience and capture the attention of millions of golf fans globally. We're applying the same hybrid cloud, AI technology, and IBM consulting services that we use with clients across industries to bring an elevated digital experience to one of the most iconic sporting events in the world." End quote. Next up, NYSE Limited, which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol NYSE, has announced Enlighten Actions, an innovation that allows organizations to create smart and humanize CX through the integration of Enlighten AI and generative AI. Enlighten Actions combines Enlighten, which is NYSE's purpose-built AI for CX, and the generative models from OpenAI. Barry Cooper, president of CX division over at NYSE, said, quote, "Enlighten Actions is a next-generation AI innovation. Enlighten Actions revolutionizes how businesses use data to help drive growth. Combining Enlighten AI and generative AI, NYSE has broken down the silos to create an unparalleled knowledge base to deliver truly transformative actions for businesses." End quote. Leaving stocks there for the day, we'll take a look now at a report published by Allied Market Research, which finds that the global enterprise AI market is projected to grow from $4.68 billion USD in 2018 to $53.06 billion by 2026, registering a compound annual growth rate of 35.4% in the forecast period running from 2019 to 2026. The following excerpts from the report overview outline some of the main factors influencing the market's growth over the forecast period. Quote, "Manufacturers in the enterprise AI market witness enormous underlying intellectual challenges in the development and revision of such technology. The market for AI is primarily driven by the improved productivity, diversified application areas, increased customer satisfaction, and big data integration. However, lack of skilled workforce and threat to human dignity and other threats are some of the restraints of the market. Nonetheless, the impact of these factors is expected to be minimal because of the introduction of new technologies in the market." End quote. And that's it for today's AI Eye. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products or services or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/ audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, and most audio platforms available. This podcast was sponsored by AppTech Payments Corp. AppTech is an innovative fintech company whose mission is to deliver a better way for businesses to provide their customers with immersive commerce experiences.